Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to create a turtle. Let's make a turtle. And once we need to create a turtle, to draw something, we need to canvas and we need a pen this way, and we need a shape. Which shape? Like either pen or turtle, or arrow. We can move around the canvas to draw the things. So I'm choosing turtle. So let's begin to create a form called I would like to create first most probably I'm making like a simple triangle to show you. So my file name is right click new Python file triangle. Just hit or any name of your turtle file. You can take the name and create a new file. So now you have to write something like using a turtle is in a library. I have told you in a previous lecture also. This library is having ready-made functionality. We calling this ready-made functionality through using calling pen, shape and canvas to preparing different type of shapes as we learn. So let's see, by using import keyword 2 we can get the ready-made functionality and ready-made library which is already available in Python libraries. My library name is turtle. So to get any libraries to importing in current file, to write something with the help of this library, we need to write this import turtle such a name of library. So once we written this line, we need to write every time I need not to write turtle, that's why. So what I am making a tr shortcut I am making here. So tr is called temporarily we are creating a variable. So tr equal to turtle dot pen I am taking. So turtle dot pen. Now here what happens, it will be create a simple canvas. Let's see here, right click, run the triangle. Yes, wow, it's came and it's gone out. So for to stay perfectly here, what we need to write, last you go to the down, there you can write turtle dot to stay the screen, like a canvas is coming and going away. So to stay the canvas, turtle dot get screen dot underscore root dot main loop open and end parenthesis. Put a line at the end of your code and run the program again. So now see, you perfectly see Python turtle graphics, a canvas board, whiteboard is visible with a particular arrow. So instead of, see, this is an arrow around the mouse I am showing here, this is an arrow. So close this, and I want to create, instead of arrow, I want to display like a shape of something like what I can call it as, it's a turtle diagram. So how we can create the turtle diagram here, we just see here how simple it is. Yeah, turtle dot shape it is coming. So put here the name of turtle. So save it and run the program. Yeah, so now you are getting turtle symbol. See, as you observe here, turtle symbol is visible. Now you can write the things how we need to go in a future. We can write one by one in future. Okay, so the next lecture, how we control this turtle, we are going to be learning. Catch you soon.